Hello, welcome back to my channel. Ella Dishes It Out. Today we're going to be making some scallop potatoes. Alright, so here are the potatoes that I've already sliced up. Just going to put them in my little casserole pan. Alright, and then I'm going to add my seasonings. I'm going to be adding some cayenne pepper, a little bit, not a lot. Cayenne pepper. Okay, I'm going to be adding some onion powder. I'm going to be adding some Parmesan cheese. Lots of Parmesan cheese. I'm also going to add cheddar cheese, and I'm going to add some minced garlic. So let me go grab that. Okay, I'm adding my minced garlic. I love garlic. I love the smell, the taste, everything about garlic. All right, so and then we're going to add some cheddar cheese. Just pour it on generously. Okay, stand that up. Now I'm going to mix it all together. Stir it up. I'm going to put some more cheddar cheese on top and some more Parmesan cheese on top. Now I'm going to add my heavy whipping cream. Make sure this is all mixed together and not stuck together. Now I'm going to be adding my heavy whipping cream. I'm going to add the whole balance of this carton. Now I'm going to grab some more cheddar cheese. I'm going to add some onions that I've already diced. Stir that up. Just make sure you stir it up. Get it all mixed in there. Okay, got it all stirred up. Now I'm going to add more cheese, more cheddar cheese, just mild cheddar cheese. I'm going to add some more Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese is the best. And I'm going to add a little bit more whipping cream, heavy whipping cream. Now I'm going to add a little bit of pepper. Just a little bit. And it's ready for the oven. I'm going to put it in the oven and bake at 350 degrees until golden brown. Okay, I've taken my potatoes, our dried potatoes, out of the oven, and they look so delicious. Look at that. That looks so good. They're golden brown and delicious. And they probably taste just as good as they look. I'm going to give it a little taste test here. Just going to cut a little piece off right here with the cheese. That looks good. Just a little piece off with the cheese. Oh yeah, that looks really good. And I'm going to taste it. I like rotten potatoes. Thank you guys for tuning to my channel. Ella Dishes It Out. Excuse me for chewing. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share.